Visual Electric is an image generation website that allows you to use AI to generate different kinds of images. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. All we need to do is go through and see a couple of the images for some inspiration. These look quite realistic, I'll be honest. That one looks pretty realistic. You can also see the prompt, aspect ratio, and what model they used. And of course, you can actually make your own different versions of this or make it into a video, move the background, upscale. There's a whole lot of things you can do here. I'm gonna dive right into this and actually start generating an image for myself. So I'm gonna go onto their canvas, and what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna put in a prompt here. I'm going to use my standard prompt whenever I'm testing image generation models, which is something quite abstract. That's always what you want to do to see just how good the model is, because they'll probably have been trained on images that you would actually find in the real world. So I'm going to prompt it for something that you would probably never see in the real world, which is going to be a lion riding a motorcycle through the desert. So I'm going to say create a dynamically cinematic image of a lion riding a motorcycle through the desert, and let's say in the early evening. Cool. The angle is wide and expansive, and let's go with this and let's see what we get. Okay, so as we can see, the model here is thinking, and we've started getting some images. Okay, I can see it's actually generated 2, probably because I had this on 2. Now, the more images you're generating, the more volts it's going to take up. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. Okay, cool. And now we've got, these are some interesting pictures. Well, this first one's pretty cool. This one's quite accurate, actually. But the tail is sort of built into the exhaust pipe. Not sure what's going on there. And yeah, here, this one looks sort of realistic as well. It looks like he's about to pop a wheelie. But yeah, this looks quite interesting. This isn't too bad. Definitely check this out if you're looking to generate some images. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.